How do you check if you have a stuck caliper on any vehicle? First step, you get a radar gun from Harbor Freight or something. You go to the caliper and you point to it. Let me see.
Make sure to have that.
Yes. Right there. 300, 290. The max was 339. Okay. Go to the other caliper. Where's the caliper at? I think it's in behind that. Oh, this is a bad example. Let's see if I see the caliper. Let's see this one. It's right there. 103. Go to the front one. I can see it. 95, 99.
Yeah, there's a problem with the other one.
And this one, let's do it again for double checking. This one right here, 293. That's how you know it's clamped and it's not releasing and it's overheating.